close straight away, and half turn again.
Cuando el amor nos llega,
And open, and half turn.
llena
Go.
de ilusiones.
And one more. Hello again, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Bachata class for beginners, for couples. Today we are teaching you, as promised, half turns. We'll have two different variations, pretty funky steps. They add a lot of dynamics to dancing. I think you will really like it. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, what is a half turn? Maybe we'll show you two variations that we have planned for you today. 1, 2, 3, 5. Half turn from close position. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And then we'll have also half turn from open position. Ting, ting, hop, and ting, ting, hop, and 1. Pretty simple, pretty simple. As you can see, we are swapping places each time when the half turn happens. So let's deal with the close position one first. From guy point of view, this is quite tricky step. When we teach it on regular face-to-face classes, quite many guys have problems with it, let's be honest. So let's deal with steps first. We're going first 3 steps from guy point of view to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll do prep, rotating whole couple to the left. At this point, Anna is losing balance quite often, yeah? So from guy point of view, you have to make sure that your partner is close. And another very important aspect is that none of us is leaning. So it's not a deep, it's just rotation of the couple. And this is happening on 4. Let's do this part fluently. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, rotate. Let's do this part fluently. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, rotate. So at this point, I am on my left foot, Anna is on her right. And with the next 3 steps, we'll swap places. I'm going with my feet. Right back, left forward, right side, and tap. Okay? We'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, fluently. 1, 2, 3, prep, right back, left front, right side, and tap. So 3 steps and tap. Again, 5, 6, 7, stop. And now from other perspective. And I'll discuss Anna's feet. 3 steps for her, starting with the right, left, right, prep, left front, right back, left side, and tap. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Hop, and 1, 2, 3. Prep, and 5, 6, 7 again, and 1, 2, 3. Prep, and 5, 6, 7. Boom. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. You remember when we told you that in bachata we give signals opposite direction than we are planning to move? Half turn from this point of view, it's not any different, because the prep, the move on 4, the rotation of the couple on 4 is actually a signal. So you have 1, 2, 3. I signal it to the left, so she thinks, aha, the turn will be exactly opposite direction, and she knows it's going there. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, tiki. So I don't have to give any extra signal, any additional initiation. This rotation of the couple is enough. I told you it's a fun and dynamic move, and when we are dancing it right now, it seems very slow. But when we dance to regular bachata song, rhythm would be around this tempo. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and half turn, go, and 1, 2, 3, woo, 5, 6, 7. So there is a lot of dynamics preparing girl for the half turn. Woo! And 1, 2, 3. So this moment of this is the fun part. This is the fun part. And when you get a bit more fluent with it, obviously you can increase the rotation. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And so from half turn, suddenly I did 360 degrees with exactly the same steps. Again, that's a bit more advanced, a bit more tricky. But this is something what really changes the dynamics in bachata. So it's not anymore like cuckoo, but there is something extra happening. Now, when we are already in open position, we'll show you how to do the second part. Half turn from open position will be a regular left turn from girl point of view. The only difference is that instead of traveling to the side, she will go towards me and we'll swap places. So we are doing basic step to the side, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, stop. And this is the first difference. I'm not facing her anymore. I think you can see this from both cameras. She's slightly on my right side. So she has a corridor in front of her. I have a lot of space in front of me. And now, she's rotating to the left, like I said, but she's not doing full turn. She's doing only 180 degrees. And at the same time, I'm walking forward, starting with my right foot and rotating a bit to the right. Watch us. Kum, 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 and tiki. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tap. For the half turn part, again, we have only 3 steps and tap. Let's do it again. 3 steps of basic. 5, 6, 7, tiki. 1, 2, 3, and prep. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, stop. I'll stop here for 1 more second. Left hand is up. This is a prep. I'm pulling also with the right. This is very important. What's more, to get into this position, I made a bit bigger steps than normally, just to create this space for Anna. I'm pulling with the right hand forward, pull, left hand goes over her head. We close position straight after. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Another thing to notice is that both half turns, so both rotations, are happening on 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so prep on 4, rotation on 5, 6, 7. Let's keep it this way for simplicity right now. I always tell you that majority of moves can be easily reversed. This is one that is quite difficult to reverse. It doesn't reverse directly. You can do something very similar, but not exactly the same. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1. Okay, let's do one more time, half turn from open position. Let's finish in open position. Hop, and king, king, boom. Yeah, because we didn't show you this variation. So now, half turn, hop, open position, too close, hop, tick, and now, half turn, tick, and 5, 6, 7, and then open position. So you can play around, you can do both variations. 1, 2, hop, and 5, 6, 7. And this is what we are going to practice right now. Close position, half turn in close position. Then directly after that, we open and we do a half turn from open position and we close it again. So we make an infinite loop of half turns. Have fun. 5, 6, half turn, go. 1, 2, 3, hop, and 5, 6, and slide, open, prep, and go. And 5, 6, close position, half turn, hop, go. 5, 6, and open, and 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, again the same, and 1, 2, 3, hop, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I think that's enough because we constantly rotate the same direction. You can get dizzy. We'll practice all of this with music, and we'll try to combine it with some elements that we already learned before. You will be surprised how well it works. Let's start with basic in close position. 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1. And we go with half turn. Just half turn in close position and stay in close position. And basic. We'll do exactly the same for different perspectives. And half turn. 1 and 5, 6, 7. Remember about prep and 4. One more time, exactly the same. Go. 1, 2, hop, and prep. 5, 6, 7. Left to right, left. And one more time from guy perspective. Step and hop. Right back, left front, right side tap. Remember, 3 steps and tap always, no matter what. 3 steps and tap. And let's open position. And let's do half turn with open position. Hop. Sing and get back to open. And one more time the same. Prep on 4, hop, pull forward. And again the same. Basic, basic. Get ready, we go. Hop. Prep on 4, make space, pull, and basic. 1. And one more time. Get ready, let's go. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1. Okay, now we start with half turn. In open position, we close position, and we do other way from close position. I messed up talking. You know what I mean, I
que él
hope.
te hace ver.
Okay, so half
Lleva a
turn with
conocer
from open position we go.
lo que
Hop,
quieren
and close
todos.
straight away. And half turn again.
Cuando el amor nos
Yes.
llega,
And open. And half turn.
llena
Go.
de ilusiones
And one more.
y nos hace saltar
Hop.
y nos
And
deja
open
vibrar
position. And
a
stay there.
todos los corazones.
Let's review the square.
Y es tan
start with
bonito
left
mi
forward.
vida
One,
que nos estemos amando.
6, 7,
Porque
1.
hoy el amor entró por
And
la
back.
ventana y nos está acariciando.
I'll show you something funky.
Y es tan
We'll do
bonito mi vida
square,
que nos
only half of it,
amando.
and then we will finish with
Que cuando me
after.
besas
Let's give it a go.
dejas disfrutar
And 1,
lo
2,
más
3,
dulce que he
and
probado.
5.
Y es que es tan
It adds different dynamics. We could do the same in close position.
el amor.
So I go
Con el
to the left and
sentimiento
front,
pidi.
hop, king, trap. Half turn works also from front and back step. It's a bit more difficult. 1. Let's go. 1,
Y es
2,
tan
3,
bonito
trap.
mi vida
And front again.
que nos estemos
Definitely something to try. One more time.
Y hoy el amor entró por
6,
la
7,
ventana
basic. 1,
y
open
nos está
position.
acariciando. Y es tan bonito
And
mi
let's do a couple of
vida
basic turns. We'll start with the right hand and then we'll follow with the left. Straight after. Go. Hop.
que cuando me besas
Second.
dejas disfrutar
Nice.
lo más dulce que he probado y es que
And
es
open.
tan lindo el amor
Right hand on your head, pizza box.
y es que es tan lindo
And half turn.
el amor.
During last 2 classes, we've done some funky variations. So now you know that you can turn the couple around in at least 2 different ways. There are obviously many, many more, but you already know 2 of them. You know also that you don't have always to do 3 steps one direction. So not always left and right and front and back. You can mess around with it. Next time we'll obviously show you more. There are so many different steps, ideas that you can apply to bachata, and you notice already that bachata is relatively slow dance, so it gives a lot of possibilities that salsa really doesn't, because in salsa everything is happening fast, 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 fast. So in bachata you can just take time and execute everything as slow as you want, or almost as slow as you want. Okay, let's stick still to the rhythm. I said also during this class that we are always following the pattern 3 steps and tap, 3 steps and tap. If you watched our solo steps videos for beginners, you already know that that's not entirely true. We can change steps as well, and we are going to show you how to apply these ideas while we dance in couples also. So if you want to watch it, like, subscribe and press the bell, like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. You can find all links in the description of this video, and as usual, I give you some suggestions what to watch next. I strongly recommend you to learn steps first before continuing with partner work classes. So there are some suggestions, check them out, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.